Have you ever wondered how LegalZoom, that familiar name in online legal services, actually makes its money? It seems like they offer so many different services, from forming LLCs to drafting wills. But what's the underlying business model that keeps this legal tech giant thriving? In a world where legal services traditionally meant expensive hourly rates and daunting law firm visits, LegalZoom emerged as a disruptive force, promising affordability, convenience, and accessibility. Founded in 1999, their mission was clear: to democratize law. They sought to empower individuals and small business owners by simplifying complex legal processes and making essential legal documents and advice readily available. And they've done just that, having helped launch millions of businesses and assisting countless individuals with their personal legal needs. But convenience isn't charity, and behind that user-friendly interface lies a shrewd and multifaceted business strategy. At its core, LegalZoom operates on a hybrid revenue model, combining both transactional and subscription-based services. This dual approach allows them to capture a wide range of customers, from those with one-off legal needs to those requiring ongoing support. Think of it like this: some customers just want to buy a single book, while others want a library membership. LegalZoom caters to both. Let's dive into the first major revenue stream: transactional services. This is where LegalZoom makes money from one-time purchases of specific legal documents or filings. The most prominent example and a huge driver of their business is business formation services. If you're looking to start an LLC, a corporation, or a nonprofit, LegalZoom offers streamlined packages to handle the paperwork, name checks, and state filings. This is often their entry point for many customers, as the need for business formation is a clear, actionable pain point. While they might offer a free LLC formation package, it's essential to understand that this usually only covers LegalZoom's service fee, not the mandatory state filing fees. And this is where the upselling begins. Once you're in the system for a basic formation, LegalZoom presents a range of additional features and services, often bundled into higher-tier packages like Pro or Premium. These can include everything from obtaining an employer identification number, EIN, drafting an operating agreement, providing a business license report, or offering access to a library of legal forms and e-signature capabilities. Each of these add-ons, while seemingly small, contributes significantly to their transactional revenue. Beyond business formations, their transactional offerings extend to a wide array of personal legal documents. Need a last will and testament? A living trust? A power of attorney? Divorce papers? LegalZoom has templated solutions for all of these. You answer a series of questions, and their platform generates the customized legal document, ready for review and filing. This disintermediation of traditional legal services, cutting out the need for a costly lawyer for every simple document, is a key value proposition and a substantial revenue generator. They've essentially productized legal expertise. Now, let's talk about the second and arguably more strategic revenue stream: subscriptions. This is where LegalZoom builds recurring revenue and fosters long-term customer relationships. Their subscription services are designed to provide ongoing legal support and compliance, particularly for small businesses. One of their most popular subscription offerings is the registered agent service. Most states require businesses to have a registered agent, an individual or entity designated to receive official legal and tax documents on behalf of the business. LegalZoom offers this as an annual subscription. While seemingly a compliance necessity, it provides a stable and predictable revenue stream for the company. In fact, a significant portion of their subscription units are tied to this very service. Beyond the registered agent, LegalZoom offers various legal plans for both businesses and individuals. For businesses, they have services like the Business Advisory Plan, which provides access to unlimited 30-minute consultations with attorneys on new legal matters, document reviews, and annual business evaluations. For individuals, there's the Legal Advantage Plus plan, offering similar benefits for personal legal needs. These plans transform a one-time transaction into an ongoing relationship, providing valuable peace of mind to customers while ensuring a steady flow of income for LegalZoom. The genius of their subscription model lies in its stickiness. Once a business is formed and relies on LegalZoom for its registered agent service or ongoing legal advice, the switching cost can be high. This creates a loyal customer base that provides consistent revenue year after year. LegalZoom's financial reports consistently highlight subscription revenue as their largest and fastest-growing revenue stream, indicating its importance to their overall profitability. Another less visible but still significant revenue stream comes from partner revenue. LegalZoom leverages its massive customer base and platform to generate leads for third-party providers. This can include partnerships with financial institutions, accounting services, or other business solution providers. They earn one-time or recurring fees from these referrals, effectively acting as a marketplace for related services. While not as large as their direct service offerings, it adds another layer to their monetization strategy. It's also worth noting how LegalZoom manages its costs to ensure profitability. By utilizing technology and standardized templates, they can achieve economies of scale that traditional law firms cannot. The cost of generating a legal document through their platform is significantly lower than a lawyer drafting it from scratch. While they do have customer acquisition costs, particularly through their marketing efforts, the subscription model helps to offset these over the long term by increasing the customer lifetime value. In recent years, LegalZoom has also been expanding its offerings, venturing into areas like tax, bookkeeping, and payroll services through acquisitions and new product launches. This diversification further broadens their revenue base and allows them to capture a larger share of their customers' business and personal needs, becoming a more comprehensive solution provider. This expansion into related services further entrenches them in the customer's ecosystem, making them an even more indispensable partner. Their pricing strategy is also a key component of how they make money. They offer tiered pricing for many services, allowing customers to choose the level of support and features that best suit their budget and needs. The basic or economy options are often priced competitively, acting as a low barrier to entry. However, the subsequent standard, Pro, or Express packages, with their added benefits and faster processing times, carry significantly higher price tags, appealing to customers willing to pay for convenience and more comprehensive assistance. This upsell and cross-sell approach is crucial to maximizing revenue per customer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.